Hello, my name is Alex Francis. I'm Bruce's oldest son, and I've been practicing the Daoist energy arts for most of my life. Throughout my journey of learning and practicing osteopathy, I found that the art is incredible, and there's a lot of amazing things you can do with it. But there's also a central problem I see individuals who are interested in osteopathy run into over and over, which is that once you move beyond the biomechanical aspects of osteopathy, such as fixing a locked up hip joint, which is interfering with individuals' ability to walk, you need to have the ability to feel beyond your fingertips and have your palpatory contact have a global sense of what's going on in the entire body. The remarkable thing that I think the Taoist energy arts bring to the conversation is that they provide the bridge and the tool set to be able to develop that distal palpation. And in my case, I was not someone that was born with that natural degree of sensitivity, but because of what I learned from Bruce and being able to incorporate it in osteopathy, I was able to develop the skill set to palpate distally without being someone who was fortunate to be born with an extraordinarily high degree of sensitivity. From going through that journey, I understand a lot of the pieces that need to come together to develop that sensory skill set. And that's been one of my major focuses in teaching as a professor of osteopathic medicine. The goal of the course I'm planning to teach on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday after the completion of Bruce's Push Hands Retreat, which is another gateway for developing the ability to feel within the entirety of another person's body, are some of the simple Taoist frameworks for developing the bridges to be able to feel beyond your fingertips and into the entire body of the person that you're working with. The essential principle is that much of your palpatory contact is not directly from the pressure that's on your fingers, but rather how your awareness is able to enter the other person, what it can contact, and what it can become aware of. Once you understand that principle, there are a variety of Qigong Tuina exercises and Qigong exercises that begin creating the internal links so that your awareness can both travel beyond your fingertips and you can translate and experience and feel what's there. My hope by bringing this material forward is it can start to create an awareness of some of the critical aspects for practicing manual therapies that are never explicitly discussed, and open the doors to making a lot of deeper healing possible in individuals. I hope we can see you from June 30th to July 2nd. And at this event will also be a great place to meet other healers and body workers who are interested in developing the same type of skill set and palpatory capacity. There's an immense knowledge base existing within Qigong Tuina and Taoism that has not yet made it to the Western world, and I believe can be tremendously beneficial for all who are exposed to it. Once you start learning how to palpate with your awareness, it opens up a wide door of possibilities when treating people, and it makes the entire bodywork and manual therapy experience much more rich and much more fulfilling.